Richie Ruckus Beats.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, Richie Ruckus. It is Monday. I hope you guys had a safe and enjoyable weekend. I just picked up a brand new pair of sneakers on Saturday. They're not new. They were actually on clearance at Finishline. And being a Finishline Rewards member, I accumulate so many $20 off coupons. I was actually able to use that on these as well and get these for a steal at $89.99. I'll put a link down in the description. We're going to do a quick unboxing review. We're going to do it on foot. We're not going to get too in depth with the review. You guys have seen plenty of reviews on these already, just in a slightly different colorway. So without further ado, let's get a glimpse of these Warlocks. We got that Crazy Boost You Wear Level 1 in the white and royal colorway. These are so dope. When these first came out, the black pair was just stunning to me. I really wanted them. And they came out at a time when I was just buying a lot of other sneakers, and these kind of, fell by the wayside almost. But then I seen they had the white colorway on sale at my local Finishline over in Jersey at the Cherry Hill Mall for $109. And then I threw that $20 off coupon that I have from Finishline and was able to get these for $89.99. I'm actually glad that I went with the white opposed to the black, because it's summer now, and for one, I'm probably not going to be rocking too many high top sneakers in the summer, so these may not even get worn as much as I would like, but they're a dope silhouette. It's, a rendition of the old Kobe model, the Adidas Crazy 8. It's got that boost you wear throughout the sole. It's just a ton of boost. And it's in, it's broke. The sole is broken up into different spots, but they're super dope, super lightweight. You got prime knit, you got mesh, you even got some nubuck suede on the upper. These are super clean, super dope. And I just think it's a dope sneaker for the summer. It's got the old school trifoil Adidas branding. It's actually very similar to the Desert Rat sole minus the boost. So, well, plus the boost on these boosts you wear. But super dope. Like I said, super lightweight, super breathable. You'll be able to rock these all summer long. And for $89.99 for this amount of boost is a steal. Like I said, I'll leave the link down in the description. Let's go do the on foot. I will be back on Tuesday with another video. But until then, I'm Richie Ruckus. Peace!
Play this record as frequently as possible.
Richie Ruckus Beats.
Holla.
Richie Ruckus Beats.